the studio with me is Lynette. Welcome to the show, Lynette.
Thank you.
Today, I'd like to ask you about seasonal job or transitional job. Many of our listeners are here in New Zealand on working holiday visa. After job interview, they often ask, why do you want to work here? Sometimes you don't know what to say.
What I would say to that is that if I owned a business and I'm selecting staff, I want to know they're committed to doing a good job and have a good attitude and be motivated. That I want to get a feel for that.
Committed and good attitude.
Yes, and that question, why do you want to work here? Everybody understands hospitality jobs can be transitional. Hospitality understands that.
That's good to know.
But whoever is offering customer service to their clients, the employer wants to know that that person is committed to the job. So it's a sort of a way of saying, what do you know about my company? Or if you just dropped in here and had a go, every employer, their company is special to them.
Of course.
There might be 7 or 8 coffee shops down the street, but, that employer is looking for the right people because his shop is special for him.
I shouldn't take too casually then.
Absolutely. And if you've had a look at the competition and thought about why you want to work as a barista or as a wait staff, if you can say what skills you have and you can say, I know it's a transition role, I've got a work permit for 12 months, if you can, honesty is important, I think that's okay.
It's okay to say, I'm not going to stay here for too long.
If it wasn't a 2 or 3 month, and it does depend on where you are, but yes, hospitality staff are sometimes hard to keep.
I heard in some cases you don't really have an interview.
Mostly hospitality staff, especially wait staff, quite often there isn't really a formal interview.
It's more casual?
Very casual.
Maybe you don't need to worry about it too much. Just prepare your basic information of yourself.
I was talking to a recruitment company the other day, and we were talking about how people without a work history, how they're judged in terms of being ready for the workplace in New Zealand. And I think this applies here. Enthusiasm, motivation, and willingness go a long way.
I can say there's a good possibility of getting a job, even you don't have much of experience in New Zealand.
Yes, and I mean, if you don't get one at the first place, knock on somebody else's as you're going down. So down the road. Yes, so employers have a lot of different ways of doing an interview. Some of them are very formal, depending on the job, and some of them are so casual, it's not really like an interview.
Rather than having a formal interview, some questions, just having a chat.
Just a chat. And for interviews, as a big umbrella, I love umbrellas, as a big umbrella, an interview is a conversation, whether it's formal or informal.
Interview is a conversation.
Yes, and it's just the big interview for the important jobs is a formal conversation, but it should still be two-way. The informal conversation can just be a chat.
That makes us feel a bit better. Just relax and don't be too formal.
In the hospitality situation, no. Just be yourself and be ready to demonstrate with words that you've got some skills to do with waiting or whatever.
Today I learned really important thing. Either it's formal or informal or whatever the job is, it's a conversation. It's such a basic thing and it doesn't change, right?
The basics are the same. It's a conversation, Naoko. It's people talking to one another. So the next time you or any of your listeners is having a conversation with somebody, sort of half look at yourself and say, well, you're talking to them, your eye contact, your body is paying attention, you're talking on topic, just tune in. It's the same, except you're trying for a new job, so you need to have done some research on that new job. But the premise of it being a conversation is exactly the same.
If I want to find out more about getting a job in New Zealand, where can I go?
Okay, well, I work for an organisation called Careers New Zealand, CAREERS New Zealand, and we have a really good website, careers.govt.nz. We're a government agency, and all of our information, all of the things that we've talked about, job interviews, CV writing, all those things, there's a lot of information on our website that will help you. careers.govt.nz.
Thank you so much for talking to me today.
As I said before, you're very welcome. Pleased to be of some help.